Good morning, boys and girls. We will be working on lesson 14-3, and we're talking about all about measurement. And today we're going to be comparing by weight. And Marta has a book and she has a pencil. Now, maybe if you have one, if you could grab a pencil and grab a book and kind of just hold one in each hand and think about which one is heavier and which one is lighter. Go ahead and do that. If you need to pause the video and grab a book and grab a pencil. All right, so Marta wants to put the lighter object in her backpack, and she put them on this scale. And the book pushed it down farther because it is really heavy, and the pencil went up in the air because it's not as heavy. It's a lot lighter. So which one would she put in her backpack? If she wanted the lighter object, which one would she put? Go ahead and point to it. I hope you said the pencil, and if you did, you're right. The pencil is a lot lighter. If you're holding it in your hand, the pencil is a lot easier to carry because it's a lot lighter than the book. All right, let's go on to the next page. Okay, so down here we are going to we're going to circle the heavier object and mark an X on the lighter one. So if you look at this TV and this DVD, and which one is the heavier one? Well, if you were trying to lift up a TV, it would be really hard. It's a lot heavier. And if you pick up a DVD, that's a lot lighter. So we're going to X that off. All right, let's look at number 2. I see a book and a magazine. Which one is heavier? Go ahead and circle the heavier one. A book or a magazine? I think it's the book. If I would hold the book, it would be a lot heavier than a magazine. A magazine just has really light papers in it. All right, let's go on to the next one. I see a phone and a computer. And if you need to, you can, if you have a laptop or a computer, maybe look at it, try to pick it up a little bit and pick up a phone. Which one's heavier? The computer is a lot heavier than a cell phone. All right, let's look at number 4. I see a crayon box and a crayon. Which one do you think is heavier? Point to it and circle it. I think the crayon box is a lot heavier than one single crayon. All right, let's go on to the next page. All right, now this is your turn with your grown-ups to work on the guided practice, and you're going to circle the heavier object, X out the lighter object, but if you think that they are the same, then underline it. All right, now this is independent practice, this is guided practice, so you're guiding them through it if you need to, and talking about it, and maybe if you can, try to go pick something up, like your backpack and a piece of paper. Pick it up, test it out. Which one do you think is heavier? Which one do you think is lighter? If you're able to, it would be really great to do it and to grab the things that are in the picture, if you have it or if you can. All right, I hope you have a great day learning, and I'll see you tomorrow.